Hey guys, Keith Rainville here, the Fat Yankee. So listen, over at Fat Yankee, we've been making jerky for over 2 years, my friends. But let me tell you, it wasn't an easy process. There was no one around to help with all the complicated paperwork. I'm talking about things like HACCP plans, declaration of ingredients, critical control points, flow charts, all the paperwork that we needed to get approved. Guys, there was no one around to help me, but there's someone around to help you. My name is Keith with Fat Yankee Jerky, and I've put together my HACCP plan for you guys. I've put together my HACCP plans for you to review it, take a look at it, and I've also included a blank template, guys, for you to fill in your blanks for your process, my friends. It's that simple. Fill in the blanks, get your jerky approved with the Department of Agriculture, start earning money with beef jerky right now, guys. Thanks, this is Keith Rainville, the Fat Yankee, and you can check the HACCP plan out at fatyankeejerky.com. Thanks for watching, like the video, and subscribe to the channel, my friends.